Hey guys, this is Sushma. Welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you'd like to receive updates on all my videos, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Alright guys, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upcycle an old mobile case. So here I had one transparent mobile case. It is pretty much worn out, so I just wanted to give it a new look. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying chalk paint. If you guys don't have chalk paint, you can simply go with acrylic color. So the reason to use chalk paint is it dries really fast, and here I have applied 3 to 4 coats to give it a really nice texture. And next I'm using transfer me sheet to transfer this beautiful design onto my mobile cover. So guys, if you're not aware of these transfer me sheets, these are pretty easy to use. You need to simply cut the design you want, and you can just peel off the sticker on top of it and stick it onto the surface you want, and then apply some water on top of it and slide it, and you can see the magic. So to apply water, you can simply use a sponge or a brush, but make sure you apply it evenly onto the transfer me sheet. So guys, I just want to remind you one thing. As you all know, I have opened a store online on Instagram. So if you guys want to order any customized gifts for your loved ones, do check out my store Craftastic by Eunice on Instagram. So I have dropped the link in the description box below. Do check it. So now it's time to slide and see the magic. As you can see, it is coming out really pretty. Isn't it beautiful? So guys, do give it a try, and if you guys have any queries or doubts regarding this project, do let me know in the comment section. I would be really glad to reply back to you. So guys, here I'm sealing it with varnish. So this is the final look. Do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.